The legend is back, and it's turning heads in a way only a timeless classic can. Welcome to AutoXperience, where today we take you on an unforgettable ride with the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Type 14. Modern rebirth of one of the most iconic and elegant coupes in automotive history. Originally launched in 1955, the Karmann Ghia blended German engineering with Italian design elegance. Now in 2025, Volkswagen has reimagined this classic beauty for the future, keeping its soul intact while transforming it into a performance-driven, tech-loaded, electric masterpiece. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2025 Karmann Ghia captures your attention with its flowing lines, rounded curves, and signature low profile. It retains the signature silhouette of the original Type 14 but refines every edge for a sleeker, more aerodynamic look. The Cherry Ember Red finish gives it an unforgettable presence, glowing under the light like a work of automotive art. Sculpted LED headlights blend into the bodywork seamlessly, while a soft, illuminated VW logo up front nods subtly to its electric identity. Underneath this retro-inspired exterior lies a modern EV platform. Powered by Volkswagen's latest MEB Evo architecture, the new Karmann Ghia delivers a 320 horsepower dual-motor all-wheel drive setup. It goes from 0 to 60 in just 4.8 seconds, giving it sports coupe acceleration with zero emissions. With a 77 kWh battery pack and an estimated range of 330 miles on a full charge, this car isn't just about looking good, it's built for real-world performance. And thanks to ultra-fast DC charging, you can go from 10% to 80% in under 25 minutes. The interior, it's a blend of retro charm and cutting-edge design. You'll find handcrafted leather seats with houndstooth inserts, classic chrome knobs alongside a massive 15-inch floating touchscreen, and ambient lighting that shifts with your driving mode. There's also a digital cockpit display behind the steering wheel that's fully customizable, letting you toggle between classic analog-style dials and modern minimalist views. Even the steering wheel itself is a nod to the past, thin, elegant, and beautifully stitched. One of the most surprising upgrades is how much attention Volkswagen has paid to the driving experience. With dynamic chassis control, active suspension, and multiple driving modes including Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Classic Ghia mode, it adapts to your mood and the road ahead. That Classic Ghia mode even simulates the soft engine hum of the original 1955 Flat 4 through a premium audio system, giving drivers a nostalgic vibe while cruising silently. Tech lovers will appreciate the full suite of smart features: wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates, AI-powered voice assistant, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and an auto park feature that uses 360-degree sensors and cameras. There's even facial recognition entry, letting you unlock the car just by walking up to it. And the panoramic glass roof adds to the open, airy feel inside, perfect for sunny Sunday drives. In terms of sustainability, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is leading the way. The upholstery is made from eco-leather derived from recycled materials. All interior panels are free from harmful chemicals, and the entire car is built in a carbon-neutral facility, making it not just a celebration of design and performance but a statement for the future. Whether you're a die-hard classic VW fan or someone who's never even heard of the Karmann Ghia before today, the 2025 edition demands your attention. It's emotional, it's beautiful, it's high performance, and above all, it connects generations of drivers through design and innovation. So, what do you think? Is this the most stylish EV of 2025? Would you daily drive a Karmann Ghia Reborn? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoXperience for more exclusive car content, concepts, reviews, and futuristic redesigns that fuel your passion for driving. We'll see you in the next ride.